homemade chicken stock. So today I'm going to make some chicken stock. So here I have some chicken here. So I've washed it already. It's all more bones really. There you go. And some skin just left. So I'm just gonna add just four. This is actually one onion. That's it. And then I'm just gonna add water to cover it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. And that's really not a lot of water. Close the lid. Okay. Now here's the lid is closed, but you can use a normal lid because I'm going to cook using slow cook. Okay, so here down here, so I'm gonna go and press slow cook. There you go. And it gives me here now chicken. So that's chicken. 4 hours, and I actually need it to be for 5. I could just add 1 hour, like press here. I can press it there and then just add 5 hours. Okay, and then is what we need to do here. We just need to press start. Okay, here we go. So that's it to start cooking, and we'll come back and check after 3 hours. Okay. So it's been 4 hours and nearly 34 minutes. So let's have a look and see in here. Okay. Let's check and see what's happening with this. So I'm adding another hour just to make sure that the stock is concentrated because I'm not happy with the color. So now before half an hour finish, I'm just gonna add a little bit of garlic granules. So this is garlic granules, and I'm going to add salt. Only 1 teaspoon of salt. That's it, nothing else. Really, that's it. And then I'm gonna stir it. Right, you can add your own spices, but I'm not adding any spices because I normally add my spices anyway. So as you can see, this is actually done, but I just want it to be there for another half an hour, and then after that I'll sieve it. So I'll just use it, and then it will only be just clear, hopefully clear soup. So we'll come back in half an hour. Now time to sieve it. So once we've sieved it, we'll put it in the fridge and leave it there for a day, and then the next day we need to get rid of all the fat at the top. So this is out of the fridge now. So now I'm just going to get rid of the... Now, carefully we take out all the fat at the top. Now the chicken stock needs to be packed into containers then, or ice cubes, then we can freeze it and keep it there until we need to use it. And we can keep it up to 6 months in the freezer. Now cover and put in the freezer. So it's next day, so I have these now. They're all now frozen. I'll show you what I normally do. Yeah. So and just give it time, not a lot of time, and then turn it over. Look at that. How easy was that? There you go. So it's that easy, and then you can use these now. Okay, thank you for watching.